What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are making some chicken coconut curry off of the Tembo Tusk Skottle. We're gonna be using a single red pepper, an onion, some lime, some garlic, coconut milk, diced chicken, curry powder, ground ginger, salt and pepper, and then some cilantro for the top. So this is about 1 pound of chicken. After we've sauteed the veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes, throw the chicken all in there. We're gonna cook this for about 6 to 8 minutes until the chicken gets browned. Here's our progress thus far. We are letting the chicken cook and then add your curry powder and ginger powder and then let that simmer. We kind of just eyeballed the curry powder and the ginger because eventually we will be putting this coconut milk onto it to make it that chicken coconut curry. We are totally eyeballing how much to put in here.
Just to taste.
Just to taste. We are throwing a little bit of paprika in here, give it some kick. And we're just gonna let it simmer for the next probably 5 minutes. We're just gonna throw in the Basmati rice directly into it. We're trying to make this a one-pot meal, so this will soak some of the juices up too. So get the rice all stirred up in there. And this should be done within the next probably 5 minutes. One thing I forgot to add is the lime. So I'm gonna add it in right now. So essentially the lime juice from a full lime. So get that in there and then we'll get it mixed up. Garnish it with some cilantro. Oh yeah. Let's do a little taste test. Oh yeah, that's good. I've honestly never made curry before. I always thought it was really a bit intimidating, but in reality it was super simple. This entire meal took us 30 minutes to make, which is awesome. And it was all, single pot, pretty easy cleanup, pretty minimal ingredients. So highly recommend if you guys are ever looking for a hot meal. Getting the Tembo Tusk all cleaned up and we're about to head out of here. So we're off of Deer Canyon Road right now. Just tried to go find some shade so we can do some lunch. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about the recipe, I'll leave all of the ingredients and instructions in the description box below. And if you guys are new here, my name is Caden. I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, outdoor cooking videos like this one. So definitely check out the channel if you guys are into that. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.